Okay. Let's proceed to number 2, example number 2. So given this one, um, x plus 3y equals 2 and x equals negative 2y. So ang characteristic nitong isa is dito sa equation 1, present yung nasa dati siyang format, yung pa rin yung format niya. Pero dito sa number 2, yun pa rin ang format niya. Yun nga lang, kasi meron siyang x and y, yun nga lang, nandun siya sa magkabilang side nung equation. So, anong gagawin natin dito? So, we will use the substitution method. So, from the term itself, it's substitution. Okay, so we will start with equation number 1. So, equation number 1 is x plus 3y is equals to 2. Okay. Sabi dito, in equation number 2, the equation number 2 is x is equals to negative 2y. So, itong x na to, papalitan natin ng negative 2y plus 3y equals 2. Okay, so pinalitan natin ng negative 2y. So, syempre, pag wala na tayong may multiply sa kapila, so magiging negative 2y plus 3y is equals to 2. Sinimplify lang natin, kumbaga tinanggal lang natin yung parentheses. Tinignan natin kung may i-add or may isusubtract or something. Okay, so in this case, eto na lang siya. So, notice na nung sinab natin yung value ng x, naging parehas siya ng y. So, alam naman natin na ang same variable ay pwede nating i-add or i-subtract kasi parehas sila ng variable. In this case, parehas silang y. So, ang gagawin natin, negative 2y plus 3y is y equals 2. So, therefore, yung unang ordered pair is 2. Okay. Kasi sabi dito, y is equals to 2. So, how do we solve for the value of x? Okay, siguro, actually, pwede nyo gamitin either equation 1 or equation 2. Well, since ready na itong x is equals to negative 2y, edi lagay natin x is equals to negative 2y. Sabi dito, y is equals to 2. X is equals to negative 2 times 2. So, x equals to negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So, the value of x is 4. Okay. So, sir, what if itong value ng y na to isinab ko dito instead of dito? Well, let us see. X plus 3y is equals to 2. Sabi, ang value ng y daw ay 2. So, x plus 3 times 2 equals 2. X plus 6 equals 2. Okay, so solve for the value of x. Tingnan nyo. 2 positive 6. Pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 6. X is equals to negative 4. So, notice, kahit anong equation ang ginamit natin, 4 pa rin ang lumabas. So, therefore, kasi ang equation kasi, from the term itself, it should be equal. So, kaya nga, di pa pag kung positive siya dito, dapat negative siya dito sa kabila and vice versa. So kahit anong solution ang kahit anong equation ang gamitin natin dito, halimbawa, this is equation 2, this is equation 1, Yun pa rin ang sagot. Okay, so checking natin. Tingnan natin muna. Okay, palitan natin ng kulay. X plus 3y equals 2. The value of x is negative 4. So negative 4 plus 3 times 2 equals 2. Pasensya nyo na yung sulat ko ha. Medyo hindi kagandahan. So negative 4. 3 times 2 is 6 equals 2. So negative 4 plus 6 is 2 equals 2. Okay, so equal siya. Next, equation 2. X equals negative 2y. The value of x daw is negative 4. Negative 4 is equals to negative 2 times the value of y is 2. So negative 4 equals to negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So lahat ay tumutugma. So therefore, yung nakuha nating solution is correct. So that is the example